Happy Días de Mayo to all the girls out there, all the moms. Thank you for bringing us to this world. My jefita, Happy Mother's Day, Mom. To my suegra, Happy Mother's Day. And my beautiful wife, Isa, Happy Mother's Day. And everybody else, Happy Mother's Day out there. Today is Días de Mayo. We are celebrating today, Mother's Day. We're doing a little carne asada. I am going to do a prank on Isa today. I told her to get ready, for the carne asada. I told her, hey, get ready. We're gonna vlog today for the carne asada and everything. So, see what happens. But she doesn't know that I'm gonna prank her. And I don't know yet if to use baby powder or flour, but I am going to be putting some of that in the blow dryer. So when she reaches out for the blow dryer to do her hair, all the freaking white powder is gonna be all over her face. So here we go, guys. Let's go prank Isa. I recommend these cups right here, guys. Genuine copper. It keeps it cold. It keeps it like the drink really cold. So I like these. Stay tuned, guys. She's outside. She's outside playing with Emiliano, so I gotta hurry up. Let's see. Alright, guys. ¿Qué tanto es tantito? What do you guys think? Good, huh? So I'm gonna leave it like this because I'm almost 110% sure that she's gonna use the blow dryer. So here we go, guys.
Hello? Hi. Huh? ¿Por qué? I know you're not outside.
No, there's some stuff waiting for you outside.
What do you mean? Oh, ando encantada. Okay, sister, let me get drugs and stuff. Okay, pues.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Mommy, let's open it up. Let's open it up, Mommy.
Okay, tell your daddy.
Mommy. Yes, this will Mom get some.
A ver,
Open it.
Yes. This one works. Oh my god. So gross. Echo? Wow! Set alarm for 5 minutes.
Echo.
5 minutes, starting now.
Echo. Got Bill and monster truck.
Oh, what? Fuck. You serious? Babe! Babe! Are you serious, dude? Ay, no chingues. Ah! 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 blood on my face again. Oh, why did he do that?
Do what?
This, look.
What was it?
It's powder. Look.
Powder?
Look at my hair, dude. Look at my hair. You know I don't like to wash my hair that much.
Why do you have it all over your face? What'd you put on your face?
It's because I was like breaking out. So I put the mask. I put a mask on. But I was going to blow dry my hair because I'm going to straighten it. So what are you doing that for?
I got you! Happy Mother's Day, baby.
Dude. Oh my god, man.
What?
Clean all this up.
I'm not gonna clean. I gotta go.
Look at my feet.
I gotta go make carne asada. You're gonna have to go shower again.
Oh, it flew into my eye. Oh my god. Really? I should have seen that.
What do you guys think? It's all cubierto with towels and everything.
Wow. Oh my god. What are you put maseca? This is maseca, huh?
Con maseca, no está sola. Ah, no, es con mazola. Con mazola, no está sola. Babe, you'll be alright, babe. Clean it up. We have to do the carne asada.
No, chingas.
Hurry up.
What about this thing?
Clean it.
How? That's my alarm.
Alright, guys. Round 2. Alright, guys, so she's still getting ready, so I got some more powder. I'm gonna go throw some powder. Oh, look. Got her some flour, guys, for Mother's Day. Alright, here I go. Babe, you almost ready? Canas. Hurry up, we got a vlog for the carne asada.
Almost ready, almost ready.
Mommy.
You recording already?
Yeah.
Mommy. Close the lights.
Okay.
Look.
Close your eyes, babe. I got another surprise for you. Close your eyes.
It was a surprise?
Yeah. Close your eyes.
Why are you doing that?
What? It was a surprise.
Hi, babe.
It was confetti.
Ah, my dress.
What?
Dude, otra vez más seca?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get you back, watch. This is not over.
Babe.
I'm gonna get you back, babe. Don't be complaining cuando te arde la cola, eh?
Ya me arde. She don't hurry up, guys, so
Oh my god.
we gotta speed up the process here. How, Emiliano? What do you think?
Ni me cayó en la cara.
¿No te cayó en la cara?
No.
Okay, deja voy a agarro más. We're getting the prank right here.
Oh my god.
And
My glue is almost dry. Mira. I'm not change.
hurry up. When your woman's taking too long, that's how you hurry up. You throw powder out there.
Well, you're lucky it didn't like land on my face. Mira, this is how you put on an eyelash.
That's it.
Hi, babe. ¿Se pica el pinche ojo?
Alright, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you guys, everybody, for showing us support, and everybody out there, all the females, happy Mother's Day if you're a mother, and if you're soon to be, happy Mother's Day also. So
Yes, guys, happy Mother's Day, and for all the dads out there that stepped up to be a mom, happy Mother's Day for you too.
yeah. A shout out goes out to Paulina Silva. Thank you so much, girl, for being part of the TheChaFam, and thank you for showing us a lot of support.
Yes, we love you.
Thank you so much. And if you're a mom, happy Mother's Day.
And this prank is not over.
It's not over, so I'm gonna get her again with something else. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go. Peace.